Hi my little friends. Very soon, next week, it's Israel's birthday. So I just thought of making you show you how to make an Israeli salad, okay? Because that's what they eat in Israel. They eat a lot of Israeli salad, and they eat hummus, tahini, all the things that you know already. So I have cucumber. We have cucumbers, onions, tomatoes. I add the long onions because I think it gives a better taste to the salad. So you cut but remember, you have to wash your ingredients really well, okay? So I cut the cucumber like this, 2 and 2, and then use a small knife because you guys are small, so a small knife is a lot better for you guys. It'll make it easier for you to cut. So can you see what I'm cutting here? Very small. Well, I remember we did that. I don't know if you remember, but we did that in class. We did Israeli salad for one of the holidays in class. So anyway, we cut this very small. All right. Let me put it there. And I put this in a plate like this. Like I said, I use long onions, but that's optional. But I think it gives a very good taste to the salad. So we cut this very small. So, and with a smaller knife, it's a lot easier too. So if you do it at home, don't forget. All right. So I mixed it to the cucumbers. I'll add it, and now I'm going to cut my tomatoes. I cut them in long, so that way I can just do that. Whoops! Cut them in long like this, and then I turn it, and then cut it very small too. So that way up. So everything looks prettier when it's small. You see in long, and then I go like this. I'm sure you had Israeli salad before at home, but mommy made it for you. So here it is. Whoops! I'll take this end here. Whoops! Sorry. This one was a little bit harder. So, let me take this part out. Okay. So, I'm sure mom is going to help you to do that because it may not be easy for all of you to know how to do it, but with a little help with mom, you can do it. And then you mix it. Oh, I forgot the spoon. You mix it. And look how pretty that is. And how colorful it is. And I know you're going to enjoy it. I know. And that's one of the salads that we eat in Israel. You just have to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and maybe pepper. And that's it. So enjoy it. Maybe you'll have it for Shabbat. C'est bon. Alright, so after the tomato Israeli salad, now I'm going to make you hummus, which is very popular in Israel. Oh, in America too. Everybody loves hummus. Remember you had some in class? Oh, a few times. So we have, first, we have to have garbanzo beans, a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic, a teeny bit of cumin, tahini to mix into the hummus, half of a lemon, a little sip of oil, and just a sip of water. Okay? So let's start. We have to drain the hummus. All right. It's a lot of hummus though. Let me check some out because this is a lot of hummus. All right. Now I'm gonna put in there. Take the juice out. I'm putting in here. All right. Now I'm gonna put and in my blender or whatever you call it. Okay. So just a teeny bit of, but a sip of water. A very small, really tiny bit of oil. As you can see, whoop, that's a lot. But anyway, this. A bit of salt. I'm just putting salt just like that. And then you can salt it as you like. A big spoon of tahini. Tahini is they say tahini in America, but in Israel it's tahina. So it's tahina is a mixture of sesame. It's sesame ground, sesame seeds ground. You find sesame in cookies and a lot of things. And just a spoon, a big spoon of tahina. Okay. And just a little bit of cumin too. I don't know, can you see? Can you guys see? A little bit, just a teeny bit of what? That's it, of cumin. A little bit of garlic powder. You can put also fresh garlic. Okay. And that's it. And then we're going to ground all this. And we'll see how it comes out. Let's put some lemon as well. I pressed half of a lemon. All right. Maybe I'll add lemon later on, depending on the taste. All right, so let's see. Let me push this because, oh wow. Ah, ce truc il est tellement petit. Okay. Now I have to puree all this. Can you see? It's going to be creamy. It has to be thick. A little bit heavy to give it a taste. So I'll see if it needs any salt. Maybe it needs a little bit more salt, maybe a little bit more garlic. I don't know. So let's find out, okay? I think it needs salt and a little bit more water. Okay, just a little bit more water, a little bit more salt as you go along, and maybe a little bit more of the lemon. I lost my knife somewhere. Okay, sorry. Oh, I go back to my little knife again. And I'm going to add some more lemon. You need a good half of a lemon entirely. All right, so let's try again. Yeah, it's a little bit smoother now. So, almost done. Smoother. That's it. Yeah. A little bit more water ahead. That's good. I think it's done. Yeah. it is done. So now what I do is I put it in a little bowl. No, a bigger bowl. Wait a minute. I'm going to put it in this plate right here. Get another spoon. Let's take it. Ooh, that looks good. That looks really, really good. My little friends, so I hope you'll enjoy making all these Israeli snacks. And you can do it for lunch, you can do it for the afternoon snack, or even for morning snack, because I know you like that. So happy birthday, Israel. I love you.